Popular new coffee and energy drink maker Dutch Bros came under serious selling pressure with the rest of the market when it sold off this week. If the U.S. economy does head into recession like some bears believe it will, quick service restaurants like Dutch Bros, McDonald's, and Chipotle will come under pressure as consumers cut back on their spending. Drink providers like Dutch Bros and Starbucks might see even more of a downturn than the other restaurants, since food is often more important than coffee to consumers. Additionally, Dutch Bros is in growth mode right now, which means that it either has to take on debt, it has to distribute new equity, or both in order to grow. In a high interest rate environment, taking on debt is never a good thing, and that's part of the reason investors are getting a little bit nervous with Dutch Bros. However, every single new location that Dutch Bros opens has proven to be incredibly successful within its first year. Even though it's growing quickly, Dutch Bros' management shows that they have the research and the will to be careful about picking where new locations will open. One of the other exciting parts about Dutch Bros is it has a very small footprint. It got its start in the Pacific Northwest and is only now expanding. It has huge long-term growth potential, and if every location remains as popular as they have been so far, it is a great long-term prospect. Since Dutch Bros is a new stock, though, it's important to remember it's incredibly volatile, as you'll see. It regularly sells off 40% or more, and then rallies right back up to its highs, so it's one to be very careful with, buying in stages and selling in stages, also in small quantities. Dutch Bros triggered my next buy order on September 20th, where I added 2.41% to the position at $24.70. As I said, I use very small quantities, but even still, this lowered my per share cost 1.46% down to $33.70. From here, my next buy target is at the next point of support that it saw last year at $22.70, but I do plan for it to break through its all-time low. You can never trust a bottom in any asset, no matter how much confidence you have in it. Also, I will take profits with my next sell target at $37.30, just under a point of resistance that Dutch Bros has seen many times in the past.